adductor squeezes with the rings between the knees. So neutral pelvis. Now with this exercise, I want you to try and relax your bum, because often what people do is the minute they start squeezing their legs together, they squeeze their bum and they land up tucking their pelvis under. So try and relax your bum so that you can keep your hips in a neutral pelvis. So belly button in. So as you exhale, think of pulling your thighs together from the top towards the knees as you bring your knees into alignment with your hips. So the aim is not to jam your knees together, it's just to have them nicely aligned. So from here, bum cheeks should be relaxed so that it's the inside of the legs working and you're still in a neutral pelvis. Take a breath in and then just release your legs. So we'll do one more inhale, belly button to spine. Groin to the knee first, so you're folding your knees in together, knees in alignment with your hips, bum cheeks are relaxed, breath in, and then release as you come back down. So that is an adductor squeeze with the ring, so your adductors are the inside muscles on the inside of your legs. Yeah.